Hi.
Yes, this is one of those videos, but I bet you've never seen one this good.
We're gonna unbox an annoying amount of PR packages, and we're gonna do it with grace because we're thankful.
Bitch.
Please don't hate me.
I want to make sure every single brand that sent me something gets recognition, so let's rip through these. I got the attention span of a peanut, so we're gonna waste no time, baby. Let's go.
First up, Sol de Janeiro.
Bam! It's a little hand.
Ta-da! It's their whole body care line.
Flip-flops?
And a little scarf, I think. Oh my gosh, look how cute.
Brazilian butt wax.
Boom Boom Cream.
Perfume.
And body oil.
Ghosties.
Oh, I know what this is. Gel eyeliner. Oh my god, they're like little colored pencils. I'm screaming. I'm such an eyeliner girl and I always have been, so I've been dying to open this up. Thank you so much, Kostas. You know you're like #1 in my heart. Guys, this is my first time opening PR from Say Beauty. I have a makeup bag stuffed of Say products. And a Say mirror. I'm so excited to try the slip tint. I buy this at every Sephora sale. This is Star Glow. It's amazing. Thank you, Say. This means so much. Oh, look at that. Mama's favorite, K18. And we got Miss Simone too. I got a hair mask and hair oil. Thank you so much, K18.
Lemmy.
I love Lemmy, y'all. I've been buying it since before I even got PR from them, which is how most of this stuff started, but I'm just so grateful. I love you. I know you see this. I know you see this. My name, handwritten. Who do you think wrote it? Was it Simon? Probably not. Curb cravings on the go. Okay. Oh, cute. So these are soft chews that curve your cravings. Curb. Let me have it. Thank you, Lemmy. Love you. And your marketing and packaging is so cute. Love you. Ooh, I love the pink. Peter Thomas Roth. Ooh. Oh, this is so cute. Collagen bounce sticks. Now I know they're a skincare line, but this is next level. Not me missing one singular nail. Oh, I've got to see this packaging. I knew it would be brilliant. Oh my gosh. Clinically proven to improve the appearance of skin elasticity. Y'all got me tongue twisting over here. I gotta go. Thank y'all so much. I love it.
Guys, I just ran and ate chili and now I'm back.
Hello. Don't be rude.
I got a racket.
PR from Vaseline. You can't tell me that's not cool.
Vaseline.
Get it? Because the US Open. We'll here for game time essentials. Oh God, I got little socks.
And a little Vaseline tennis ball.
These are their new Serum Burst lotions. Supple and luminous glow.
Wow.
Thank you, Vaseline. That was so cute. Tell me why I just put this to the side. And I was like, it's kind of heavy.
Maybe because there's a whole ass tennis racket inside.
This is actually insane. Thank you, Vaseline. Color pop, pop, pop. All their liquid blushes. And these are actually infused with hyaluronic acid. No idea how they do that. Look at the little heart. But I love them. I love you, ColourPop, thank you. And the little heart beauty blender, I love it. Grande Cosmetics. I've had this for way too long, y'all. It's been at the bottom, but I love the Grande team. I love all of this. This is incredible. Laminate, tint and enhance, trim, tank. They truly do it all. I really love Grande Cosmetics, and I think I have a code, self-plug. Thank y'all so much, love you. Milk Makeup. I love these boxes, y'all. They're crazy. Oh, what is it? For lashes and brows, Hyro Brow Tint. I got every color. Look at this. This is sick. It's spiky. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Thank you. Secret stash inside. Stash your, oh my God. What in the world? Is this what I think it is? Oh my God, I got their mascara too. Oh, this is sick. I cannot wait to try this out. I love mascaras. I love trying new ones, so I'll give y'all a review. Thank you so much, Milk. This is amazing. Okay, but wait, there's more. Cooling Water Jelly Tint. I have not tried these yet, y'all. I know I'm so late to the game, but every time I saw people opening them, I was like, I just want to jump through the screen and eat it. Look at it. Tell me that doesn't look like Jello. Actually, weren't people actually eating it? I don't know, but I'm excited. Thank you, Milk. My sweet, sweet Redken. You have been very patient with me. Oh, I first got gifted this like 2 years ago and I still use it. I love it. It's their acidic bonding line. So we got the shampoo and conditioner, the leave-in treatment, and a 5-minute liquid mask. And I got little stickers. Thank you so much, Redken. You're an OG of mine and one of my personal faves.
Flawless.
Let's open this baby. Oh, what is it? Lip plumping cream lipstick. Oh my gosh, and little liners to match.
So glad I got the lip liners.
Shut up. You guys, I'm obsessed. This is incredible. Yay, I have new lip colors. Thank you, Lawless. This is next level. All right, Tarte Cosmetics. No, don't turn 25. Open me for 25 years of magic. Oh my God.
Hi, my beautiful Tarte fam. I'm Maureen.
That's my girl. She is so cute. I love her so much. There's a volume button. We can literally turn her up. Thank you, Maureen. I love you so much. You're so inspiring. I got a hat and a little goodie bag with a palette, 2 juicy shifts, and a cheek stain. I've never tried this. Oh my gosh, there's literally little 25s in the shadows. This is adorable. Thank you so much. I'm amazed. I'm blown away every time. You hear that? And look, these ones have Maureen's autograph on them. That is so cute. L'Occitane. Huh? Oh, hello? Refillable liquid soap. Why does that make me excited? Wait, these are all refills. This is a refill of their milk concentrate lotion that I love. Literally this right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Thank you so much. I love you, L'Occitane. Dibs Beauty. Okay, I'm so behind y'all, but their Glossy Balm roster is growing. So these are the new ones that they launched. And when I tell you, I eat up their Glossy Balms. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God, they're so cute. And one of their little LED mirrors, which I'll give one of these to y'all because I have a few of them. But it's got a little light on it and you can just compact and travel. And I got a little pop socket. I love y'all, Dibs. Thank you so much for always being so sweet to me. Here's my code if any of you guys are interested. Oh, I'm so juicy. I love it. Oh, holy moly. When I see this sleek packaging, I just know it's NARS. Guys, this is why I have a hoarding problem. I get the cutest packaging. What is it? These are new lipsticks. Oh my gosh, not the matte black. Look at these lipsticks. Am I being loud? I mean, this is incredible, NARS. I love you so much. This is such a dream. Look, it's like magnetic. Ooh. Woo! Living proof. Oops. This is their air dry styler.
Controls frizz with a crunch-free hold.
Oh, she's sleek.
Thank you, Living Proof. You're the best.
Stay Cool NYC. Guys, I'm so behind, but I could not wait for this. This is insane. This is a scratch and sniff crew neck. Here's the big test. Shut. It's literally like strawberry. It's nostalgic. Like Smacker's lip gloss mixed with bubble gum. I mean, it's strawberry, but holy shit. This is a crew neck. That's actually insane. Thank you so much, Stay Cool. What? This is the future, baby. Ooh, Briogeo Quick Slick. Look, it's so baby. This is for slick backs and all your little wispies. Thank you so much, Briogeo.
All right, I'm wrapping up here because I've already opened a lot. But there is literally like 300 more still. And I'm staying in town the rest of the month, so we're gonna be opening them day after day after day. Make sure y'all stay tuned. I'll tag every single brand below in order as always. I love you guys so much, and thank you to every single person who's thought of me. I'm still going to my old address and collecting boxes every day, so bear with me. I love you, and thank you for watching.
Bye.